Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you one small thing but that needs to be known to everybody. So those who are not knowing how to set date and time in manual mode or in automatic mode, and how to set the format of 24 hours. So that video is for those people who are not knowing that thing. So if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the setting. Here you just go below and go to the general management. In general management there is one option, date and time. If you want to set date and time automatically, then this should be on, and if it is off, then you can set here in manual mode. But there is a possibility that in manual mode the date and time may be wrong. If you want to see date and time in 24-hour format, that's like 13 means 1 p.m. will be shown by 13, then this should be on, otherwise it will come like 1 p.m. Okay, see here it is changing 16:04, now it is coming 4. So in my recommendation this should be turned on, and these both also should turn on. So that's what I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, if you has learned something, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.